We bought this replacement shower head faucet for our shower off of Amazon. We just got it installed, and I gotta say, I'm actually pretty happy with this thing. It's got a really nice spray head on it, much nicer than I expected coming in this kit. And the handle looks really nice. It works out really well. We had the old silver ones in here, the builder grade Moen, and we replaced our shower enclosure with the black frame, and we're just putting in black faucets. Let me show you some of the sprays it has. It's got like this really heavy heart spray that you can use. Then it's got a really heavy spray that's your standard shower, I don't know, what do you see right now? Then it goes to a more softer spray of that. Now you've got like jets in the middle. Now you've got nothing but jets in the middle. Now you've got this kind of spray head that's jets in the middle, but it's like mixed with the spray. You've got harder spray. And then you can just turn it off without having to turn off the valve. If you want to conserve water, you just turn that off. You just flip it back through to whichever setting you want. So yeah, I really like it. I think you will too. Hope this information was helpful. Thanks for watching, y'all. Take care.